How to make mission trip highlight videos without editing skills. Want to share the story of your mission trip, but have no idea how to edit videos? No problem, InVideo AI has your back. Highlighting the incredible moments, meaningful encounters, and spiritual impact of a mission trip doesn't require an editing background anymore. With InVideo AI, you can quickly create a polished, emotional, and visually appealing video that captures every powerful moment of your journey. It's simple, fast, and surprisingly fun. All you need to do is upload photos and short video clips from your mission trip, and InVideo AI will turn them into a professional highlight reel with transitions, text, music, and more. You can add quotes, Bible verses, or personal reflections as text overlays. The platform even recommends visuals or music if you're unsure what fits best. If you're sharing your trip with your church, fundraising supporters, or on social media, InVideo makes the process smooth and impactful. What makes it even better is that InVideo AI understands how to structure a story. It uses intelligent scene detection and editing logic to ensure that your message is clear and engaging from start to finish. And you don't need to spend hours dragging clips or adjusting timelines. The AI does all the heavy lifting. Within minutes, your highlight video will be ready to share with the world. There's no better way to honor the experiences of your mission trip and inspire others to get involved than through compelling video. Start your journey today by clicking the link in the description and signing up for InVideo AI. It's free and easy.